We're here with Natalie and we're going to do makeup. Alright, we're going to start with some foundation, some CoverGirl, Wet n Wild. She chose all of these. This is all her choices. She's got some good taste. Alright. Hey, nope, keep your face up. I need to be able to see your face.
Cold.
I know it's cold. Okay, let me see your face.
Oh, mommy.
Keep your face up. Xavier. Xavier wants to have her makeup done too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have to have makeup.
No, why can't she have makeup?
It's a dog. Dogs don't get makeup.
Nope. Head up.
You put it all over my face.
Yep, that's what happens with foundation. Okay, chin up. I need under your chin.
You got my lips.
It's okay. We're going to put lipstick on over it.
Yeah.
Hold on.
I want makeup and next day, no.
Well, it's a good thing that Nikki's not your mom. Because your mom's cool and lets you do makeup.
Are we making a bill on my face?
Yep. You want to see what your face looks like with foundation?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I'm not a bill yet.
You're not a video yet?
No.
Well, we're making the video right now.
Are we?
Yep.
Are we?
Say hi.
Hi.
All right. Now we're going to do some highlights. We've got LA Cover Up.
This like makeup.
Yep. All right. This goes down your nose. Your little cheeks. Right there. Other little cheek. And your chin.
Yeah.
Right.
I can't get high for this.
Okay, I'm going to blend it in.
Then?
Mm-hmm. Alright, now we're going to do some bronzer. Where are you going? Sit back down. Alright. Look at me, baby. You want everybody to see Savior?
Yeah.
Okay. This is going to go right here. Oh, we are using What Up Beaches Matte Bronzer. Do a little line right here. A little line right here. We're going real light because, you know, she's 4. We don't really need a whole lot.
That's a lot of makeup.
I'm just going to get a little brush to blend it. Face the camera, baby. There you go. Okay.
I'm talking to what she's eating.
She's always eating stuff.
Yeah. And down.
Okay, look at the camera, baby. Yeah. You want to see what you look like now?
Yeah.
Okay. Back up, baby. My goodness. Goofy girl. Oh, don't poke the camera.
Why?
Because it's the camera.
No, that's phone.
It's a phone. Don't pick your nose on the camera.
Why?
Do you need to wipe your nose?
No.
Okay. Sit down.
My kids are getting on my butt and sticking on it.
Oh, okay. Okay, no, come here. We're going to do your eyeshadow next. Alright. We're going to use LA Colors Eyeshadow Primer.
Yes, I want to do this.
That's one of the last ones, baby. Sit down. We're going to do it, but we got to do the primer first. Here, eyes up. Close your eyes.
I'm opening my eyes a little.
Okay. Alrighty. Now, we have LA Colors eyeshadow. She wanted white and
Orange. Blacky orange.
yes. Alright, sit down, baby. Sit down so I can see your eyes. Silly girl.
I want to white first.
Okay, sit down.
I want to see what color is it. That's not white.
That is white.
See? I want to do my finger. I want pink on top. And write this down.
Here. It works really well with the brush. Close your eye.
Look at pink.
You want pink instead of the orange?
I want white, orange, and pink.
White, orange, and pink?
Yeah. Write this down. Mommy, white is down.
White is down.
Yeah.
You seeing what you look like? Sit down. Okay, pick a shade of pink. You picked this one.
I want this one. I want to do it.
Baby, you can't see your eyes. You haven't learned how to do that yet. Okay. Let me see. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Goofy. I'm going to do pink at the corners.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want pink in the middle.
Just put pink in the corners, baby. Savior. Just pushing on the door. Alright. Hey, Natalie.
Why?
The camera's on the door, remember?
But David wants cheese. David wants cheese. David looks like a cat.
Okay. Let me see your eyes. Close them. There you go. Alright, I'm going to do copper on the outside. Don't squint. Relax your eyeballs. Relax them. Close your eyes.
I want my eyes open so I can see everything.
I'm almost done doing your eyeshadow, baby.
Using my left eye.
Alright.
Time for this one.
We'll do your eyeliner next. Here, sit down.
I don't want this one to be the last one.
Okay, we'll do that one next then. Sit down. Okay.
I'm pink and orange and white.
Mm-hmm. Alright. We have, hold on. We have superhero mascara.
What? I want to do that to Demon Mirror.
Okay, no, Mommy will do this for you. This one can be really messy. Look at me. Hold on, open your eyes. Open your eyes all the way. Open.
My eyes didn't hurt.
Open. Open.
My eyes didn't hurt on the white.
No, then don't look at the light. Open your eyes. Okay, look.
My eyes looks pretty.
Alright, next we have our eyeliner. Natalie. We have Ico liquid eyeliner. Remember, these are all her choices. Alright, sit down.
I'm doing this. Taking tea.
Sit down. Sit down so I can see. I can't do your makeup if I can't see your face. Okay, close your eyes. This is going to be cold. I need to keep your eyes still. Close your eyes.
Mommy, cold.
I told you it would be.
What is she doing?
I don't know what she's doing. I'm looking at your eyes.
I want tea.
Hold on. We're almost done.
Mommy, you got my cheeks.
I got your cheeks.
Ticky, ticky.
Hold your eyes still. Your eyeliner is really crooked. I'm going to put eyeliner on your lips here in a second.
That.
Putting eyeliner on a toddler?
That's for cookies.
It's your eyeliner. Here. Oh. Oh my.
What?
Oh, nothing. I just gotta fix your eyeshadow.
Oh no.
Oh no.
What's happening?
Sit down. Natalie.
Where's that eye makeup?
I have it up here. Look. Okay, we're going to use Mary Kay makeup remover to fix your eyeshadow. Because your eyeliner got a little crazy. Look up. Look up. Look up, turkey. Turkey! Natalie.
Let me do this up.
I don't know what she's doing. Natalie.
Look.
You're looking at yourself? Okay, can I fix your eyeliner real quick?
What are you doing?
Fixing your eyeliner and the eyeshadow. That's as good as it's gonna get, I think.
What?
Hey, no. Sit down. We're not done yet.
What? Mommy?
We gotta do your lipstick next. And do, oh, I hit the camera that time. Bella Pierre matte lip color. She wants that one.
Pink.
Yep.
Pinky, pinky.
So beautiful. This is my favorite.
Why? I want to do it. I want to do it.
Wait, which one did you want? Show me on here.
I want pink.
Do you want this or this? She wants
I want to do it. I want to do it.
Aloha.
I want to do it.
Here, I'll put it on there and you can put it on your lips, okay?
Okay.
Here, I'll hold you into the mirror so you can see. Hold on. If you need more, let me do it.
Okay.
You do such a good job. All right. We are all, oh no, we almost forgot your blush. That lip gloss though, that really brings the look together. We are going to use Hard Candy Glow All the Way. It's my favorite and really the only blush I have.
That's pink blush.
It is.
I'll do it. That's a fish.
It is a fish. All right, let me see your cheeks.
Hey.
Oh. Natty, what do you say?
Please.
There you go. Here. From here, and brush that way. And put some more on it. From here, and brush that way. All right. All done. Oh. Ah! Look at your finished self. What do you think?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah. Do we come here?
All right, do you want to do another video like this? Hold on, you're talking to them. Sit down.
I want to talk to them.
You are. Say hi.
Hi.
Do you want to see if they want to do more videos like this?
Yeah.
Say, comment below if you want to see me again.
You want to be again?
Get some lipstick on your teeth. Alright guys, bye. Wave. Say bye-bye.
Bye.